Welcome to Redline Channel Automotive. The appearance of the 2026 HiAce Motorhome will mostly rely on the bodywork or modifications that transform the base Toyota HiAce, as Toyota is not formally producing the vehicle as a whole model. The iconic boxy design of the HiAce will continue to serve as the foundation. This maximizes inside room, which is a motorhome's key objective. In order to improve headroom inside the cabin and provide room for an additional bed or storage space above, many HiAce motorhome conversions add a high fiberglass or aluminum roof. Sliding windows or larger side windows are frequently placed to improve interior ventilation and natural light. For entrance to the living space, the HiAce's regular sliding doors are often kept. For better access, some improvements could include an electronic step. Access to the galley toilet area or back storage space is provided by either a single tailgate liftgate or double rear doors side-hinged variant, depending on the internal configuration. In order to increase the internal space typically for a bedroom or bathroom area, some bigger conversions add an aluminum or fiberglass addition to the back. A typical way to give shade outside a car is using retractable awnings. It is common practice to build a roof rack or a ladder to get access to the roof. Bicycles, storage boxes, and surfboards are among the extra things that roof racks may be used to transport. Some mods include tires that are better suited for different road conditions or swap out the stock rims for more aesthetically pleasing designs. It is possible to install extra LED lights for spotlights or night illumination. For a more individualized appearance, some modifications include unique graphics or livery. Features like bike mounts, external power connections, or clean, dirty water filling may be integrated on the outside, depending on the requirements. The inside of a HiAce motorhome is usually made to be as practical and spacious as possible given the van's constrained size. A typical arrangement consists of a bedroom section either fixed or foldable, a kitchenette complete with stove, sink, and mini fridge, a dining lounge area complete with table and folding chairs, and storage space. The bed can be a high roof bed if there is a roof extension, a fold-out bed that can be used as a sofa, or a double bed in the back. Clothing, kitchenware, and other necessities are carefully stored in cabinets, drawers, and shelves. It's common practice to make the most of the area above the head and under the bed. An additional electrical system that includes a control panel, a backup battery deep cycle, an inverter to supply AC power, and several electrical outlets 12 volts, USB, and 220 volts. In the cabin, energy-efficient LED lighting is typically utilized. For bathroom and kitchen requirements, if any, there is a clean and a filthy water tank, roof vents, sliding windows, and occasionally extra air conditioning. Wall, floor, and seat coverings that are long-lasting and simple to maintain. Simple to more opulent materials like Alcantara or fake leather are available.